Mrs. not appropriately dressed.
I don't have to show my face.
No, she doesn't have to. You don't want to show your face. Just big us up. She peeping out to see the camera. So anyone knows the camera out here?
I don't have to show my face.
You don't have to show your face. Just big us up. There's nothing wrong with your face personally.
I'm shy. I'm in a regular clothes.
She's shy and she's in regular clothes. There's no problem. You can say hi to the folks of it. Just say hi.
Hi.
Alright, she's saying hi. She's not on camera. She's saying hi. Tell the folks what you do. Tell the folks what you do. We're talking a while ago. Tell them what you do.
Especially the kids, I work with students. Two type of students. One who has challenges with grasping concepts in literacy and numeracy, like reading and writing. And the second type of student that I work with is students who are advanced, students who we consider to be outperforming their peers, and their parents and their teachers are unable to facilitate their learning needs, and so that is where I come in to give instructional strategies on how to instruct these students at their level.
So you go from
one end to the other.
One end of the scale to the next
right.
end of the
And
scale.
I also do in between as well.
In between.
Yes.
Nice. So you have a website or
We're currently working on our website, but for now, our Instagram page is Brain Buzz Hub.
Brain Buzz Hub.
Yes, and since the start of our business, we have been shipping with Island Shippers.
Yes.
You hear that? Thank you so much for that plug.
Yes.
How do we spell the buzz?
So I'm gonna spell everything out.
Alright, go listen guys.
So it's BrainBuzzHub. Brain Buzz Hub.
Alright guys, you hear that? You need to go check that out. Brain Buzz Hub. Where are they going to check it out?
On Instagram.
On Instagram. Alright guys, you heard it. And she loves shipping with us. You like the company so far? Right? This is not your first time.
No,
Nope,
it's not.
nor second.
And
No, you're second.
Right. I've
And
been
it's
satisfied.
been good service.
Right. We have been satisfied. You deliver on time and you take it to the home. Because you know, sometimes, especially as teachers, we have to spend the day teaching online and we don't have the time to go out to go and collect it. So I really appreciate the service that you offer where you deliver it to the home, because not many shipping companies, I don't know of any other shipping company that does that. So I appreciate it.
Guys, you heard it. The teacher said it. I couldn't say it any better. There's a link. Click on the link somewhere here or in the description. Alright? Bye. Tell them bye for me.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. She's not on camera, but she's giving us a lot of information.